Hi, I'm Jeff.
Hi, I'm Dan.
Welcome to the Packaging Lab. We're really excited to be part of the D-Scoop Edge Fusion virtual event.
We really wish we could be there with you in person, but we can't. So let's take a virtual tour of our facility. We're really excited to show you what we do.
So our tagline is custom packaging made simple. What we really set out to do was create a company that takes a product that has traditionally been overcomplicated and confusing to a lot of customers and make it very accessible to a segment of the business world that has largely been overlooked for many, many years.
In order to serve these customers, we had 4 goals. We want to have no minimum order quantity. We want to have no tooling costs, and we want to turn it around in 24 hours. And then on top of that, we want to make the process incredibly simple with everything that the customer would need available online. So let's go see how we do it.
So the whole thing starts right here with our HP Indigo 20,000 digital press.
We serve 3 different types of customers. The first is going to be the small to medium-sized businesses. The second is going to be large businesses that for whatever reason, whether it's a new product introduction or they might have a sudden change in ingredients or something where they need something in a hurry, or other printers that are trying to service their large customers that have requested something that doesn't fit well within their wheelhouse and they reach out to us.
All right, let's go see the next step. The next step is our thermal lamination.
In order to meet our goals, everything that we do needs to be efficient, and we need to find ways to take time out of the process. One of the most important pieces of that is our lamination process. We're able to take 2 weeks out of the entire cycle by going to a thermal lamination. Let's move on to the next step.
Next step in the process is our slitter.
This is an important part of the process because it's where we take and separate the customer orders. Up until this point, all the customer orders are on one roll, and at this point, we're going to take them and separate them into the individual orders before we move on to the next step. Let's see what that is.
Here's the final step in the process. This is where most of the magic happens. This is our pouch machine.
So part of that magic is finding a way to be able to change over pouch sizes very quickly. Typically in the industry, changing over a pouch machine from one size to another can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. We're able to change over our pouch sizes in roughly 10 minutes. And that's key to us being able to turn as many orders in one day as we do.
All right, now let's run down to the end and see the final product. So here's the final product. It's a stand-up pouch for a customer that is a perfect example of the type of company that we serve.
This is a great success story. This customer works with people with disabilities and they make dog treats. Up until now, they were packaging them in a brown paper bag with a label on it, selling them mostly at like farmers markets. They wanted to move their product into a more retail environment. And in order to do that, they needed to have more professional looking packaging so that they could actually put it side by side with some of the larger name brands. So they worked with us. Our designer actually helped them design the pouch and their first order was for 250 pouches. That business has now grown, and now their last order was 2,500 pouches. So it's a great success story, and it's a great way that they're able to help add back into their community.
Thanks for joining us at the Packaging Lab. Hope you enjoyed the tour.
We're really glad to be part of the D-Scoop Edge Fusion virtual event. Hope to see you again soon. If you have any questions or anything that we can help you with, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.